Where's Jackson?
I'm here. I'm Jackson and we're going to be making pizza the easy way. The first ingredient is 2 2/3 cups of flour. Okay, the next ingredient is 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Okay. The next ingredient is 1 teaspoon of salt. The next thing we need to do is mix the flour, the baking powder, and the salt. The next ingredient is 1 cup of milk. The next ingredient is 4 tablespoons of olive oil.
Yeah.
The next thing to do is to stir until we get a soft dough. It looks soft enough for me. What we want to do next is to put some flour on the surface we're using. Now knead the dough until formed. Knead means pounding the dough. Now we're going to cover the dough for 10 minutes. Now while we're waiting for 10 minutes for it to go, I'm going to go play some Minecraft. Now that our 10 minutes is up, I'm going to open it. Ew, looks like a brain. Now it's time to roll this thing flat. We're almost done, guys. Whoa, that was a lot of work. But just remember, it doesn't have to be perfect. The next thing to do is to put our pizza crust into the oven, cook it for 8 minutes and 400 degrees. The next thing we need to put on our crust that just came out of the oven is to put some pizza sauce on. Now that the pizza sauce is spread, the next step, sometimes I have a secret, and I like to put pepperoni under my cheese. Now that my secret pepperoni is on, now I'm going to evenly spread the cheese. Y'all can use what you want to use on your pizza, but sometimes we like to use tomatoes. Now that we got all of our toppings on, now we're going to cook it for 12 or 15 minutes until it's golden brown. Okay, now that it's done cooking in the oven, now we're going to brush some garlic butter. And sometimes I like to have a veggie Thanks for watching, guys, and make sure to come back and watch some more videos. Now it's time to share some pizza.
Yeah.
Bye.